Props are all the way up, throttles are all the way back, friction locks are off. I'm Bill Clares. I'm President and CEO of the National Museum of World War II Aviation.
Clear prop!
We're directly across from Peterson Air Force Base in Colorado Springs, Colorado. This is a tail turret. It's an interactive display. We have a 20-acre parcel, which are the 3 museum hangars. That is complete and operational. The second phase is the building that we're in right now, which is Westpac Restorations. The museum is designed around the home front specific to World War II aviation. Cycling the props, pulling this lever back, RPM will go down, which means that the prop twists in air, so it changes the angle of the blades. Primary goal is the educational component. This is a P-47D-2. It was the first airplane model of the Republic Thunderbolt that actually made it into World War II. This museum is being built around co-curricular activities with the educators in Colorado, being able to bring the teachers out, teach the teachers, and then have the teachers go back and bring them in under the pretense of STEM, science, technology, engineering, and math. As they're learning that through World War II aviation and innovations, they are forced to learn history, which isn't hardly taught anymore. The 2 distinct factors that are unique about the museum is, number 1, we have flying aircraft. We expect to be given rides where people can go out and experience the aircraft. The second thing is we will have the hands-on experience where the community will be able to be participating in restoration and maintenance of the aircraft. At this time, Westpac Restorations is maintaining and restoring aircraft for the museum.
We've got 2 rivets down here on this lower stringer.
But the ultimate goal is for us to be training their own personnel over there to our standards. Westpac Restorations was started 20 years ago by myself and my partner Alan. So how's it going, Al?
All right.
Getting ready to shoot this thing? What you see inside of this hangar is what we call a dying art. We're trying to educate kids, get them inspired into aviation, the same thing that the museum is. We open up our services for free to the museum. The people will go through the museum, then they will be able to come over here and go through the restoration facility. And what we offer to the museum is that we teach educational programs over there on sheet metal, propellers, aviation. And this would be a great airplane because it's mechanically operated all the time. It's an ongoing maintenance deal, which teaches people how to do stuff. You know, all the systems work. To see the volunteers and the people that come out here and work with them on a day-to-day basis, they're out here 7 days a week, is exciting. You know, the community is wrapped around this. The people that will learn from this shop, that can come in here and go to work, they can go to work anywhere. I'm excited about this coming to fruition because you know, we're going to be able to preserve the history, but not just preserve it, but make it highly accessible, and that's a big thing.